Hey guys, how are y'all doing? How's your day going? And you're just asking, how was your night? Hope you had or are having an amazing and beautiful day today. This is currently PuzzleSprint, and we are in day three. How's your January going so far? I know it's too early to say, but what vibes is it giving off? What aura are you getting from it? And how has these questions or whatever been doing you so far? If you haven't been following us daily, all our codes, all the questions, the source codes, everything are still open on my socials, or you could just simply head over to my GitHub where everything is there and ready for you. And if you would like me to make it into a blog, let me know in the description, in the comment section below, so I could do that and maybe make it more easy access for you. But yeah, without further ado, let's get to today's episode. Now, at first glance, today's zone might be looking a bit complex, might have thrown you on for a loop or whatever, but it's actually quite easy if you understand the question. So, hopefully, I can break it down to you. Let's start. Given a string representing a sequence of moves in a 2D plane, where L means left, R means right, U up, and D down. So basically, just saying the user is going to produce a string which has characters like L, R, U, and D. So that I'm just going to start breaking down. So first thing, once we receive the string from the user, we need to ensure that all the strings in all the elements in that strings are L, R, U, D. So first we're going to do is change everything to lowercase, and then we're going to now loop through the string to ensure there is no external value firstly. Secondly, we're going to assign the values of each one, or you could just do it as you are reading the test, but just so everything is one. So we have two units here where this the plane is a 2D plane, so we have x and y. X is for left and right. So left is I think left is -1. Yes, left is -1, right is +1. So if they are moving left is minus one, if they're moving right is +1. And for the y-axis, u is +1, d is -1. Then this is the example input. So let's just jump into it. It's very, very easy, very, very easy. Hopefully you understand it. So first we want to do, let's get the current position, the starting point. So we're going to use a list or an array or whatever. So we're going to have our x-axis and our y-axis. Next thing we want to do is, like I said, there are different ways you can do it, but I'm going to use it as a dictionary. So what each move is going to represent. So let's just call it possible moves. Okay, sorry. So we're going to have possible moves. So it's a dictionary. Dictionaries are studied into these curly braces. So since it's a string, strings are always enclosed in inverted comma. So we're going to have L as the key. Then the value for L is -1. Next, we're going to have R. Okay, now we want to get the moves from the users. So it's going to be equals to input, and we'll just give them a prompt. I don't know. What moves would you like to make? I like to move the child. Now we're going to put everything into lowercase. Now we're just going to look through it. So for I in moves, so now, like I said, we want to check to ensure that the user's inputs are valid first. So if I in possible moves, that is if I is either L, R, U, or D, we're now find out what action we're carrying out on it. So first we're going to deal with the x-axis. So if I is equal to, You must always ensure that you're enclosing it into this inverted comma, even though it's going to be treated as a variable, which will obviously raise an error if that doesn't exist. So now I want to change the x-axis of that. So we're going to call the list position, but we don't want to just change the whole list. We want to just change a specific input, which is the first input, which the indexing starts at zero. So what the x-axis is at zero. So we want to change it, but we don't just want to change it. We want to add it because multiple moves can be made. So it's going to now be plus equal to possible moves. But we now want to get the value of what we're currently working with, which is I, because I could either be L or R. Then we just want to do the exact same thing. So we're using Elif. Let me just copy this. Okay. I just not wanted to sneeze right now, but sneeze didn't want to come out. So I was just scratching on my nose. UD. But instead of zero here, we want to change the y-axis 1. And finally, our else, we don't need it to do anything. So if the input does not exist in the dictionary, just ignore it. Alright, so now we just need to print out the solution which was generated to the user to get the correct location. Print. Okay, so the question said that, let's go on to the question. The question was like, um, determine if the sequence returns the robot its original starting point. So we'll first print out their current position. Then we're not going to say if position is equal to 0, 0. We want to print true. Else and what was the input they gave us? They gave us UD and it should print out true. So let's run it and start. Oh, perfect. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment below. If you have any question, feel free to let me know. All the links will be in the description below and have a beautiful rest of your day. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.